Hello, I'm going to show you today how to use Quizlet, a great online resource which you can use for learning new words. So for this, all you need to do is just type at the top in the address bar quizlet.com, and then you find yourself on this page. I've already got an account, but you can create a free account very easily. Then you go to Create button, choose Folder, and then create a new folder which we call A-Level Russian, and then you press the button Create Folder, and then you add a new set. As you can see, I've already got loads and loads and loads of sets for various subjects, mainly GCSE. So you need to create a new set, which you can call, for example, Здоровье молодежи. So you need to type a term, choose a language, which is Russian, and then choose the definition in English. For example, we take the first word здоровый образ жизни. And then the translation of this term you can see in the drop-down menu. You just choose whichever you like best, and then you go ahead and type the next word in Russian again. So, for example, respondent. You will find these words in your lessons. You will come across new words in articles that you read, in the texts that you read, in translation exercises, and all the words that you think are worth remembering, worth learning, you add them to your set. We're aiming to have about 20 words in each set for each topic. So if this topic is called health, здоровье, that means you will have 20 words related to the topic здоровье. If you find 20 is not enough words, you can always create another set called здоровье 2. Okay, so I'm going to have a look now what to do with these words. So first of all, you can go to Flashcards, and these are just ordinary flashcards, but electronic. All you do is just click on the card to see the reverse of it. So healthy way of life, and the translation, здоровый образ жизни. You can also hear the pronunciation by clicking this yellow sign. You can press play button here on the left, and you will see that the cards go automatically. They change automatically. If you click on options, you can also switch the audio on. You can change the card over. It's very convenient for when you're driving, for example. You can just switch the cards on, and they'll sound the words, and you can just repeat after the recording. It's quite convenient for driving. Another thing that you could do here is learn these words. So there's a whole range of things you can do. So let's have a look at learn first. So there's a multiple choice questions. So respondent, respondent. You can go back and go ahead and go into write, where you can see an English word and you need to type the word in Russian. The letters, Russian letters are provided. And you can also see how many words you got incorrectly, how many correctly. Then you can spell the words, where you type whatever you hear. Again, the Russian words are there, and you can test the words. There's a whole range of questions in the test. There is a matching game, which is quite fun, where you have to match the words like this. Well, this was quite easy. And then finally there is a gravity game. This is particularly good for people who are good at typing. So you can choose to type either in English or in Russian. Depends on the level of your level of Russian, your level of proficiency, and whatever you want to learn. So as you can see, this resource is very, very versatile, and you can also share the link to this set with a teacher. You can copy the link and then you can just send it to the teacher via Showbie. I hope this was useful. Thank you very much. Bye bye.